G'day, you beautiful people, and also you not so beautiful ones as well. G'day, all you FPV superstars out there. Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, we're going to be going back through time, a bit of a trip through memory lane. We are about to roll some videos that I promise 99% of you guys will laugh at, and if you have just joined into the channel, you've just got into drones in the last year, and most of these you probably haven't seen. And also want to put a bit of a disclaimer. Look, this is all light teasing. I like all the people in these videos, so don't take it too seriously. It's all for a bit of fun, having some jokes, but we're about to roll a video, and I want to say thanks so much for everybody for sticking with me. I know there's been a big hiatus on my channel. I am working really hard at making some content, giving myself a schedule. Today's planned video, the review video I was working on, it didn't go well. We had some technical difficulties, we had some sound, some muted microphones, all that sort of stuff, and I was thinking, you know what? I was feeling a little bit down. I thought, let's get my headspace right. Let's try and work on a positive video, so have some fun. So today's video, it's a little bit different. We're about to roll something, so we're going to have fun. Sit back, relax, grab yourself a cup of coffee, grab a beer, whatever you want to partake in, because I promise you are going to laugh. Thumbs up if you laugh at this video. Thumbs down if you don't even smile. That's how we should do it. But without further ado, let's roll the video, and I'll be back with some other scheduled content later in the week in a couple of days' time, because I really want to get back to making videos as well. So thank you so much for all the beautiful comments people have been leaving, the support, for watching my things through, and just sending me some nice emails, all that sort of stuff. It really is helping getting me back here in the studio in front of the camera making content, because that's exactly what I want to do. I want to make content about FPV to change people's lives. It is such a powerful, important hobby. So if you are here, if you enjoy FPV, I just want to say thank you, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, for believing in this message of changing other people's lives through FPV as well. Anyway, I'm going to keep working, but thank you so much. Let's roll this video and have some fun in 3, 2, 1.
Fed up with trying to get your FPV drones to fit nicely and organized into your bag? Is your FPV transmitter radio case just being an absolute pain and nightmare to fit inside? Maybe you're trying to impress those FPV ladies down at the park. Well, you need the Betaflight Hive backpack. Attaching a drone to the front of your backpack has never been easier. With this simple clip design, you can get ready to rock and roll in seconds. No radio case? No problem. With the Betaflight Hive backpack, you've got one built straight into the top of your FPV bag. And ladies down at the FPV park? No problem. But don't just take my word for it. Let's check in with these pro pilot testimonials.
I owe all my success to the Betaflight backpack. I definitely wouldn't be able to build my van without it. When it comes to my biceps, bling, and my illegal bridge dives in Canada, nothing helps me more than this Betaflight backpack. My skills have actually improved as a direct result of this bag.
Is this in focus? Oh no. Yeah.
This Betaflight backpack, it's totally rad.
Help me rip graveyards like you wouldn't believe.
Tired of leaving embarrassing smells in the bathroom causing you to slink away? Need a little bit of extra lift trying to nail that perfect hairstyle you spent hours on? Just simply struggling to blow out a candle? Finding it difficult to cool down after some heavy, strenuous exercise? What you need is the Flying Fidget Spinner, the first of its kind. You can use it to blow away those embarrassing bathroom smells. Be gone! Save hours in the mirror working on that perfect ladrib lift using the Flying Fidget Spinner. It pumps out more hot air than kebab. And need to cool down after some very strenuous exercise? Don't worry, the Flying Fidget Spinner's got you covered. But don't take my word for it. Let's check in with these other pro pilots.
Hello, I'm Andy RC, and welcome back to my RC channel, and today we're going to be looking at this. Now, this flying fidget spinner is a lot of fun for people in the UK like myself, because we are only getting about 6 hours of daylight per year. So this thing keeps me very well entertained while I'm having a cup of tea and a bicky indoors.
I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today.
I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. Welcome back to RC Model Reviews for the first not-so-weekly news of 2017.
G'day, welcome back to RC Model Reviews for the first weekly, not so weekly news of 2017.
Alright, what's up? Basically, I'm not gonna say basically ever again.
So as of yesterday, the drone lab is finally done. Come check it out.
So as of yesterday, the drone lab is finally ready. Come check it out. Something I'm particularly proud of is this wooden rolling pin I got for coming second place at Drone Worlds.
So I get a lot of questions about what I put on my eyes.
So I get a lot of questions about what I put on my eyes.
Feels a little too ting 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 ing. I should feel ting 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 ting.
Just like a little ding 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 ding, you know? And it should be like ding ding ding. Hello? Oh, hey Barbara, what's going on? Oh no, not much, just about to do some dishes. Oh, what do you mean you don't know? Just do what Rotaro and I do, just make it all up. Yeah, they'll never know the difference anyway, just make it up, man, it'll be fine. Anyway, I gotta go, I'm super busy, gotta clean the kitchen.
Get ready to change your life. Are you sick of spending hours upon hours doing dishes and cleaning the kitchen? Maybe you're just sick of those pesky drone videos. Looking for the next big thing to impress the ladies with?
Yeah, nah, good one. Oh yeah, no, I do lots of travel. Yeah, like 5 properties and, you know, yeah, just, I've got this thing, if you interested.
Or perhaps you're stuck inside with the coronavirus. What you need is the Hyper Shite Wash. The Hyper Shite Wash lets you do the dishes in seconds. Save both time and money with electric motor special wash system. Water and electricity? Brilliant!
Yeah, boy.
No need to wash like a primitive caveman again. Simply insert your dirty kitchen items and voila! All clean, no mess, no fuss. But wait, there's more. Not only can you clean dishes with the Hypershite Wash, you can also look cool as scare small children, struggle with the no instructions. It's part of the fun. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, it's time to stop! Hang on. It can't be that good, can it? What about me doing the dishes on the go? Just like our friend Susan here. Hang on. It can't be that good, can it? What about me doing dishes on the go? Good question, Susan. Well, fear not. Now you can. Do the dishes in the kitchen. Do the dishes on the toilet. Even do the dishes while driving. The possibilities are endless with the Hypershite Wash. Still watching this rubbish YouTube video? Let's find out more.
Hypershite Wash. Hypershite. Like a heap of shit. Now this is a review all about how this piece of shit quad made me frown. I'd like to take 5 minutes and watch right here and tell you about this drone that made me despair. In mainland China, sold and made, a cheap knockoff quad was ordered and appraised. VTX motors and a Cam 2, all from Gear Best, main store HQ, when a couple of problems started to show. Stuff didn't work, I'm thinking, oh no, it took one little flight before I declared, this piece of shit drone needs to be repaired. Started the video saying, g'day, but should you buy it? I'm thinking, no way. On my first flight, it decided to kick it, so I called up Gear Best, filed a support ticket. Customer support, yo, this is bad. Waiting for weeks to ship it first class, so it finally turns up. I'm thinking, alright, time for number 2 to finally take flight. But wait, we have some problems soldering all that. Is this a type of drone? $90 gets that? I don't think so, so we'll see when we get air. I hope you're prepared, but buyer beware. The drone rebuilt and
when I punched out. The one thing I noticed was plenty of washout. It didn't even last long, I can't get air. I broke a motor and that's not fair. I whistled for Cal when he got near. He let out a sigh and he said, oh dear. If anything, I would say it's time to repair. But I thought, man, forget it, just buyer beware. I would rate this drone about 2 or 3. Plenty of problems? Certainly. If you really want it, click buy if you dare. But my biggest advice is buyer beware. Not recommended. Ordered 2 and both of them broke first flight. Big shout out to Duck. See how many views and thumbs up we can get. Maybe we'll push this, see if we can make another one if you guys liked it. Anyway, happy flying.